Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Super excited that you made it here today. Today we are going to be doing my go-to like glam event type makeup. It's what I wore to accept the Beauty Influencer of the Year award this past weekend at the Her conference with Her campus. And it's just one that's really pretty and simple and always gets lots of compliments. It's neutral, so it's not like a lot of bright colors happening, so you can wear it with whatever kind of outfit. It's the jam. So it's the jam. Not my jam. The jam. So anyways, guys, if you want to see how to get this really easy but like show-stopping event type makeup, please keep watching. Alright, so we are going to... I gotta scooch myself into my chair. My belly is getting in the way now. We are officially like 4 weeks out from my due date. Well, 4.5. It'll be 4 on Saturday. Yeah. So we're like 4-ish weeks out away from my due date and giving birth to my son here. So I am a whale and I just am so uncomfortable all the time now. So if I groan or grunt or burp, it's just who I am now. Okay, so we're going to start with my ColourPop I Think I Love You palette. This is one of the best palettes I've ever purchased. It's one that I travel with constantly. It looks like this. It's great because it's so neutral. It has, you know, a basic shade for your lid, plenty of transition, or not plenty, but a transition color, darker colors there to mix in. And then a range of like really pretty shimmers, so if you want a bronzy type look, like you got it, man. And a really perfect inner corner and brow bone highlight, which I so appreciate and love, so I'm into it. Okay, so I love this palette. Let me see how many dollars it is. Not very many. It's $16, so super affordable, like really great buy. And it's just good to have in your collection, especially if you are somebody who travels a lot or does really neutral colors. Alright, so to start off, I'm going to just use this flat all over shadow brush with that shade called My Treat. Put that all over the lid. Okay. Next, I'm going to be using my Sigma E40 blending brush in the shade Fancy Face, this transition shade. You're probably thinking, wow, Taylor, you actually have your nails done for once. Yes, I do. Got my shiz together. Okay, so basically just run this all over your crease. It's going to be a pretty quick tutorial. Also going to take it under my eye. And I'm going to take this brush from It Cosmetics. It's just another shader brush. I don't know the number. On that same transition shade and bring it on the inner and outer corners because it's going to be kind of a halo eye situation. Next, using a flatter NYX brush, it's brush 13, and go in with the color Screw It. It's just dark brown, and start bringing that in. I'm going to take that E40 brush with the transition shade on it and just kind of blend that top out here. So now I have a really nice halo eye situation going on here. And I'm going to take the same brush we used that dark color on and mix it with our black a little bit so that I add a little tiny bit more depth on that inner and outer corner. And the black shade is called Rule Breaker. And you want to be careful because black can be kind of hard to work with. So just go really lightly. Spend your time building that color up. I'm really taking this brush because it's flatter and just running it nicely like right in my crease here. You can see that just adds like a little bit more dimension to the eye. I'm going to add a little bit of that mixed color too right on my outer corner. And I really like that because it just adds just like a tiny bit more depth to that halo eye. And I think that that looks really pretty, so we can kind of leave it there and we can start working on our spotlight. Okay, so now we are going to go ahead and do the halo portion of this eye, and I am not cut creasing it. For some reason I just have like an aversion to cut creases. I don't want to do them, so I'm not going to. So basically I'm going to start with this rose goldy type shade there at the bottom. It's called My Type. And I'm going to put it on the outer portions of this halo before I bring in the brighter shade that goes right in the middle. So once you have that done, now we're going to go in with the brighter inner portion, and that is going to be the shade Rowdy. This will be the same shade we use on the inner and outer corner. Okay, so then you have this really pretty like shimmery gradient in the center, which I love. And I'm now going to take a little pointy pencil brush, use that same bright shade Rowdy that we just used, put that in the inner corner. And under the brow bone. I am obsessed with this eyeshadow. I think it's so flattering on so many different eye shapes too, which makes it pretty ideal. All right, so I love this. I'm going to hop off and put my lashes on, and the lashes I'm going to be using are Lily Lashes in the style, Miami. So they're just really dramatic and beautiful, and I love them. So I'm gonna hop off and be right back. Okay, lashes are on, and honestly, this look is not made until you put these lashes on. So you definitely need some like dramatic lashes to complete this event glam, because come on, they make the look. They totally do. They're beautiful, they're big, they're fluffy. I'm into them. Okay, so moving on, we're gonna go ahead and toss our lips on, and then this look will pretty much be done, man. So I'm going to be using my classic nude lip combo, which is not what I wore to the events. Actually, I wore a pink lip, but that just matched my dress. I'm gonna be doing a nude lip because that way you guys can like match whatever outfit you've got on. So I've got my Sephora Cream Lip Stain in number 33. So let that dry just a little bit. I dropped some crumbs under my desk and my dog is desperately trying to find more. You ate them all, buddy. You did, good job. There's no more crumbs. It's very sad. All right, when it's just like a little bit sticky but not totally wet, then I'm gonna go in with my Bite Beauty French Press Lip Gloss in Flat White. Oh, just such a good nude lip combo, man. All right, guys, that is the final look. So I hope that you enjoyed it. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this look. I hope that it inspires you to go somewhere fancy and dress up and be glam. It really is like a really easy event type makeup that looks great on everybody. It's not super difficult to replicate. It can be done in a lot of different eye shapes. Plus it's neutral, so it'll match whatever you've got on anyways. Be sure to tag me if you guys tried this look yourselves on Instagram at Blonde and Ambitious Blog. And don't forget, guys, to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You know, I love to see you guys hanging out here and commenting and sharing with each other, so be sure to do that and turn your notifications on so you don't miss a video. I will be cutting down to 1 video a week from 2, except on certain weeks, simply because baby is coming and he's almost here, and I know that for a little while at least I'm going to need to cut back a little bit on my filming, just so that I can adjust to life with a newborn. So thank you for understanding that. And I hope that you guys have an awesome rest of your week or weekend. Don't forget to leave your suggestions in the comments below. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.